Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. When you want to get some homemade lemonade and you go to your garden for some lemons, you see that there are no lemons at all. Your lemon tree may have a lot of flowers, but it is not bearing any fruits. Do you also have this common problem with your plant? If yes, let my mom show you how to get rid of this problem. Today my mom will show you how you should grow your lemon plant after bringing it from the nursery in an organic way. First, put a stone in your drainage hole, then add some soil. As you all know, soil is important for any kind of plants. My mom used 50% garden soil and 50% homemade kitchen waste compost. We have already told in our previous videos that you have to first check the net pot and then plant your plant. The lemon tree can adapt to almost any type of soil, excluding those of heavy clay. The ideal soil for this tree is a rich and well-drained sandy loam. So you can use coco pit and some soil to make some sandy loam soil. Now the reason for no fruit on lemon trees. Now the first question would be, do the trees flower? Flowers lead to fruit, and lack of blooms mean your tree cannot produce. Some reasons for this would be incorrect cultivation, lack of nutrients, insufficient water, and bad rootstock. As my mom had given all the nutrients to the plant while it was planting, so my mom only gives bioenzyme now. Only 10 ml of bioenzyme with 1 liter of water, spray it on your soil and the foliage of the plant. But if the plant does bloom but still fails to fruit, this might be because the tree is not old enough. Many of the newly forming fruits will fall off well before they begin to grow. This lack of fruit set may be due to an excess of fruits, too much water, or low nutrients. Now I will tell all about the fertilizers. Remember to fertilize your plant with all kinds of micro and macronutrients. My mom uses kitchen waste compost, onion peel fertilizer, and liquid aloe vera fertilizer. I have already uploaded about how to make these fertilizers in our channel, so you can go and watch those videos. Avoid excess nitrogen during the flowering period. You should avoid it as this spurs leafy growth but minimizes the production of flowers. Look, there are so many birds in a small plant, including the addition of phosphorus to encourage blooming and fruiting. Best homemade fertilizer having phosphorus is the banana peel fertilizer. Last but not the least, you can use banana peel fertilizer for your plant. It will help your plant in blooming and fruiting. If the lemon tree is still not producing fruits, it might be due to a poor rootstock. So you can always wait a year after a good cultivation and see if the fruit comes the second year. This is a 4-year-old plant. We will surely update you later on about its fruiting. You can also take care of your plant, and I hope that your plant has a lot of fruits. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.